Hey guys, how are you today? So in this tutorial we're gonna build this beautiful rotating animate text, and yep, as you see, this is so beautiful and so easy. Don't worry about that. SwiftUI make it so easy for us. So in this tutorial you're gonna learn about rotate effect 3D and how to rotate a text and how to have a beautiful gradient background here. So let's hit the road and let's go to our Xcode right here. Let me just create a new project here. Yep, right there, you have it. So I'm gonna say animating text for the product name, and yep, hit create. So let me just, yep. So here we go, and here. So here we have mark main view. So for main view we have let me just create another view. So mark, and we say animated text. So we have extract here. Yep, animated text view, and this is a view type. So here we have a Z stack, and let me just add it right there, animated text. Yep. So okay. Here we have a variable for our state for rotation angle. Here we have at state private var rotation. Yep, rotation angle, and this is type of a double, and is equal to 0.0. Yep. After that we have a Z stack here. So in our Z stack we have a gradient background here. So let me just create it. So we say linear gradient, and we have the gradient type. So here for the gradient we have a gradient with colors. So for our colors we have color dot black, and then we have color, and we have red. 37 divided by 255, 72 divided by 255, and for our blue we have 85 divided by 255, and starting point is dot top leading, and the endpoint would be bottom trailing. Here we have it. So we have this beautiful gradient here. So for creating a gradient in SwiftUI, you have linear gradient. You have to just say linear gradient, and for our gradient you can add as many as you want colors to it. So this is an array of colors. I just added 2, but you can add as many as you want. And then you have to point a start point and end point for it. I say top leading, it is top left, and bottom trailing, that is bottom right. So this is the direction of our linear gradient. So here you see we have the white space. For removing them, you have to add the modifier ignore safe area, and just like this it removes. So after that we have a V stack here. Because we are in a Z stack right now, The children for this ZSAG is gonna lay out like in a Z axis, not in a Y axis or Y axis. It is layout on top of each other. So the first layout is the linear gradient for our background, and then we have the VS tag that is right top of the linear gradient, so don't worry about that. It's just cool. We have a spacer right there, and then we have another ZS tag. So we have a ZS tag, and here after that we have another spacer. So that's our ZS tag that hold the text, the animated text, be in the center of the screen, and the spacers go and find out, it is smart enough to find out how big it should be. So we have two spacer, and then we have to create another struct. So we have mark here. Don't forget to use mark for better readability and for more cleanness in your code. It helps you to maintain the structure of your code. So we have the mark rotating text here. So we have another struct, and we have rotating text, and it is type of view, and here, and we have another ZS tag, and in this ZS tag we have text. So we have hello. You can use whatever text you want. Just say hello because it is more shorter and more readable in our screen. And don't worry about that. We can try another text later on in this tutorial. So before all that, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share it with your friends. I appreciate it a lot. I just want you to support me, and with your support I can record the amazing tutorial for SwiftUI. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share it with friends. Don't forget that. So for our text we have a foreground style for white, and after that we have dot font modifier, and then use system size, and we use 120. And for our font weight we use dot regular, font weight dot regular, and for our rotation effect we say degree, I think, yep, dot degree, and we say minus or 9. So this rotation effect do text like this, and rotate it 90 degrees, and it takes like this. So let me just show you. Yep, see, our text is in a vertical axis, not in the horizontal axis. So, and then we have the opacity of 1. So this is our rotating text. So here we go. We have for each. So you can see we have multiple hello that rotates in a circular, in a Z axis and circular axis. So here we have for each 0 to 20, and for that we have index, and here we have rotating text. So we add some modifier to it, and yes, we are good to go. So offset. Here we have it, x minus 100. Yep. And we have this type rotation effect, 3D effect. So for angle, we have angle. And here we have degrees. And for our degrees, we have rotation angle plus the double of index. So here, and multiply by 10. Yep. And Yep, we have it right there. So this is it. And here we go. And so we have the opacity. For our opacity, we have 1 minus index of double of index and multiple by 0.09. And here for our ZS tag we have dot unappear modifier. So here we have it animation, and for our animation we have animation dot linear, and for our duration we have 6 seconds, and we have another modifier for it. We have repeat forever and auto reverse equals to false. So here we have rotation angle equals to 360. And here we go. This is so simple. And yep, this is all of that. So when I run it on my simulator, yep, build succeed. And here we go. Yep, we have it right there. This is so cool, so nice, and so easy to create. And let me just show you another text for it. So I can say Puya, that is my name, and rerun it again. Yep, we have Puya right there. So here we go, and let me just say hello again. Hello. And here you can modify the duration of the animation. So you can say 10, we can say 10. Let me just rerun the preview. You can see this is a slower motion, or you can say 1. This is too fast, you see. Hello, hello. And we leave it just 6. And right there. So you can use another gradient here. So we have, you can use color dot, I don't know, dot gray. And you can modify all the code as you wish. So don't worry about the code. I will leave a link in the description, a link from my GitHub. You can see all the code and you can practice it as you wish. So this is it. This is our tutorial, and here we go. So thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button again, hit the like button, and share it with your friends. And yep, that's all. Have an amazing day, my friends, and see you later in the next tutorial. Bye bye.